All right, you guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about ClickFunnels, landing pages in general, and clear up a lot of the, I guess, misconceptions that, sorry about that, let me mute this notification stuff happening. So, yeah, I want to talk a little bit about landing pages in general, a lot of the misconceptions out there, ClickFunnels. I want to do a quick little review, and I'm going to use this article here and just go over it with you and show you how you can benefit when you use it the right way, but also why it is that any one specific thing is not going to be what determines your actual success. It's going to be a combination of factors. So you can look at ClickFunnels or any landing page software or any softwares that you're going to use, sort of the kind of like the foundation to your cake and not so much the icing and the bells and whistles. So ClickFunnels review and complaints that Warrior Forum and Reddit won't tell you. Looking for honest ClickFunnels review in this article, I will share with you ClickFunnels review and complaints and things you can't find on Warrior Forum and Reddit, and how to best ClickFunnels pricing and ClickFunnels discounts, and how to get right. Okay, that makes more sense. So first I want to ask you, are you trying to sell stuff online? Then I am certain you may agree that changing your guests into sales is difficult, and getting yourself profitable, that's even harder. So that's totally true, and one of the misconceptions and one of the reasons that I'm actually making this video, it's never going to be ClickFunnels or whatever software you buy that makes you the actual money. It's going to be how good you are at finding the right traffic and then knowing how to turn that traffic into sales. It's never going to be the software that's going to make the sale for you. It's going to help, but it's not going to be what makes or breaks things. So, but there is a straightforward secret to increasing the worth of each client you sell. Now, by the way, this is a site, it's called magentheme.com that I'm reading this off of. By making a well-designed sales funnel, you'll dramatically increase your sales and supply additional price to your customers. In today's post, I'm planning to introduce you to ClickFunnels, the application I'm using to build sales funnels for my business. So that's good. Person's honest up front. They're letting you know that they actually use ClickFunnels, and likely they'll want you to sign up under them at some point. That was my mic. I don't like to edit my videos so that you know that I'm not full of it, so that's why I'm likely not going to edit this out. I just want to reposition this. Okay, so you don't require any technical know-how to use it, and it's going to change the way you run your business. Okay, I mean, it's going to help the way you run your business. It's not going to, no one thing, again, is going to change how you run your business. The most important things is converting traffic into leads and knowing how to sell those leads. And it really is that simple if you break it down to the mechanics of what actually generates revenue. Look, I don't practice anything that I don't preach. I made about $20,000 this week so far. I think what's the date? It's the 20th. Today it's, I believe it's Thursday. And I share that not to impress you, but to impress upon you that I know what I'm talking about. And by the way, just for watching this video, I'm also going to give you access, as long as you comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, I'm going to give you access to a free course that's going to help you with any business that you want to get involved in on the internet: consulting business, social media business, affiliate marketing business, and it has a $600 value. Many people have paid $600 for the exact product I'm going to give you absolutely free. So, What is ClickFunnels? Russell Brunson and his team launched ClickFunnels back in 2014. Since that time, Russell has transformed ClickFunnels into a $100 million a year business, and they recently crossed over 65,000 active users as of August 2018. Now, why'd they do that? Well, because their marketing is good and their product's good. I have nothing bad to say about their product. But again, it won't be the product itself. You're going to need to know what you're doing or learn to know what you're doing above and beyond using the product. They're very good at conveying the message of how important this product is. However, you must always be mindful when you're out on the internet. Understand it's not going to be one thing that you're going to buy that's going to revolutionize what you're doing. It's going to be skills that you learn, apply, and master that create leads and sales, convert the sales. That's what's going to do it. So you can use it to build squeeze pages, landing pages, membership sites, webinars. Yes, all kinds of sales funnel you can think of should be funnels, complete with order bumps, downsells, and upsells. So downsell, I think, is self-explanatory. I think an upsell is as well, but upsells are very important because no matter what you're doing on the internet, again, I'm not going to list everything off. Any business, doesn't matter, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, you need to upsell because in most cases you won't make money on the first sale, and you need to have something in place that you know with confidence you can offer to a client so they can buy multiple times from you. That's one of the very important things you need to have is an upsell. So all kinds of sales funnels you can think of, complete with order bumps, downsells, and upsells. Yes, I know I read that already. Plus, with the highest end Edison Suite plan, you will even be able to start your affiliate program, Backpack, and substitute your email service with Actionetics MD. I have no idea what those things are, by the way. You're getting everything required for market and sell your products online without the need of hiring expensive developers. Now that's another thing. Whenever you're doing something in business, I didn't go and research and pre-plan rather and look and find out what every single thing is, because I know the core, the nuts and bolts of what's important to pass on to you so that you get what you want and you end up being where you need to be. By the way, if my eyes fly that way, I have everything turned off, but sometimes there's something that might catch or I might need to give it my attention because we're working a lot on a lot of different products and I'm getting updates from my team occasionally, but I'm going to try not to do that, and I recommend you don't also. So I like to practice what I preach. I just forgot to turn this other monitor off, and I needed the extra brightness because it's a quick off-the-cuff video, but I wanted to make sure it's a cloudy day that there was enough light in the area that you can see me well enough. So back to what I was saying before, I don't research everything because I know what's important and I don't need to know what Actionetics is and Backpack, and it saves a lot of time when I do things spontaneously also, because all I really need to do is pass on in this video something that's going to be helpful to you, and that something is that ClickFunnels is good in short, but it's not going to be your end all be all. Nothing is. I'll say it now probably for the fourth time so I can really drill it home. It's going to be knowing how to convert the right kind of traffic into leads and then knowing how to use those leads to turn them into sales. That's the core of what's going to make you successful or a failure, nothing else. So I'm going to move on through. You can click here to try ClickFunnels for free. So that's the try to get you to sign up. Nothing wrong with that. Overview of ClickFunnels benefits. ClickFunnels is a favorite sales funnel application that simplifies the whole sales and marketing funnels for all types of businesses. Now, that's true because any type of business is going to need a sales page, a landing page. You're going to need to control what people do so they can't see more than an offer that kind of tantalizes them and gets them to fill out a form. Because if they don't fill out that form, you're dead. They're gone. You have no way to retarget them, no way to reach them again. You paid for traffic, and most traffic, bounces no matter what. So you have seconds to capture their attention and have a good offer, capture their information so you can reach them again. And ClickFunnels does do that well. If you use their setup correctly, you definitely have an advantage there. And it's all based on the premise of, like I like to say, your site must read like a book when it's looking to capture data from people that don't know who you are, have never dealt with you before. They need to basically be shackled, and I wrote a blog article on this actually today. They need to be shackled in the sense that they can't move further than either leave your site or give you their email address at the very least, and first name and phone number is even better, before they gain access to more than one page of your site. That's the best chance you have at not losing the visitor and being able to remarket by getting their information. And that's really the premise of ClickFunnels, any good funnel that works well. ClickFunnels treats users to a variety of pre-built sales funnels, and all they have to do is opt for the one that matches their business requirements. Selling a subscription and peddling an ebook may be similar regarding them trying to make a sale, but you need to handle them separately. That's true. ClickFunnels saves you the time and energy to begin organizing your sales funnel from scratch and accelerates your sales funnel setup. How long is this article? Okay, let's see. We won't do the whole thing. Once you've got your funnel selected, you're required to have a template. ClickFunnels made sure you are entitled to a variety of templates, and each of them is tested and proven to work. With a good number of proven and tested templates at your disposal, ClickFunnels accelerates your A/B testing phase because you don't have to clear out templates that are not performing. Well, it's not just the templates that perform, it's what you write on that template and the client you're presenting it to, potential client. So it's not going to be, because a template looks very nice. It's good for it to look very nice. It has to. But the offer has to be clear, easy to read, and at the end of the day, along with it looking nice, yes, it must. But your offer, not the template, your offer is going to be what determines how many people enter their info, hit that button, so that you have a hope to reach them again and not have wasted the money that you spent for that visitor. With a user-friendly platform, you can easily integrate videos, animation, clocks, and components to your templates, and then perform your A/B testing on them to discover what works and what doesn't. There is no learning curve to wear down in any respect. Videos, very important. I talk about that in my free product that I'm going to send you right away if you subscribe to the channel. You have to subscribe, comment, like the video, and hit the notification bell, and you get a $600 product for free. Video, everything on the internet is going to become video. It definitely increases the likelihood of you selling. You need to be good on camera. If you feel that you're awkward, you're not used to it, whatever it is, don't worry, that'll all go away. I cover that and a lot more in my free affiliate marketing course that I give to you by doing what I just said. So many different things, but video is very important. I believe that in the next less than 10 years, 90% of the internet's going to be video, and articles like this are going to be very, very rare. It's going to be video. Now, ClickFunnels pros and cons. Editorial balances, ease of use. These are the pros. Flexibility, best software for building marketing and sales funnels, integrates with all payment providers and significant email, great onboard processing to learn the software, beautiful looking templates for all kinds of funnels, left out the S here, easily share any funnels you create and mechanically earn affiliate commissions, 14-day free trial, free domain name with SSL installed, software continues to improve after every update, 2-tier affiliate program. The cons, limits on the total number of funnels, pages, and visitors with the standard plan. Lots of things to find out. A steep learning curve. Split testing is pretty basic. So there is a steep learning curve. Something called Instapage is, and no, I'm not going to have an affiliate link down below either. I'm not looking to make money with you on that, or ClickFunnels. I think Instapage is simpler to use, as good, definitely less learning curve. And if you're not a techie and you don't like all that, razzmatazz, it's good. It'll save you a lot of time so you can focus on other things that are going to make you the money and not be confused or get lost. But if you like, the bells and whistles and learning, then by all means, ClickFunnels is good too. Why not just use WordPress? First and foremost, WordPress is fantastic. If you're running a strictly content primarily based website, then WordPress should be your preferred content management system. And there's absolutely no special reason for you to work with ClickFunnels if you're not in demand of a membership program for any reason or aren't selling something online. Then stick with WordPress as your default CMS. Yeah, I mean, I agree with that. There's not much to add there. But I do assume that ClickFunnels includes a full suite of choices for any niche website builder, which you ought to contemplate if you're thinking that you are just planning to begin outsourcing a number of your work. If you are a user of Amazon FBA business, having a ClickFunnels subscription may be beneficial to consider, especially if you're running paid traffic to your products on your e-commerce website. So, for my websites, I've been able to set up a membership website for my contractors so they can log in and know what I expect out of them when they work on my websites. It's an essential part of my business. While I could decide to set up a password protected web page for them. Okay, so anyhow, password protected web pages, WordPress is good with that. Let's go to, is ClickFunnels easy to use? Let's see if we're gonna, you know what? I'm gonna wrap this up in short. Look, the purpose of this video was to go over this article with you, for me to offer you a free course on affiliate marketing, SMMA, that's gonna help you out a lot. Explain to you why ClickFunnels might be good for you to use, why it isn't the end-all be-all, and why software is really not the end-all be-all. I'll say it again probably for the 6th time during this video. You need to know how to find the right traffic, first of all, convert it into leads, know how to take those leads, generate sales with them, and if you do those things, you can succeed and scale, and everything on the internet works off that premise. Those are the things that are going to make you succeed. It's not going to be whether you do or don't buy or sign up for ClickFunnels or Instapage or anything else. Yes, you need to have a capture page. Yes, you need to do it right. But you can do that with many different systems and methods on the internet. It's not going to be because you bought that ClickFunnels or Instapage branding that is going to do it for you. It's going to be everything else I explained. So that's it. I'm going to end the video. I was aiming for it to be about 12 or 13 minutes. Didn't time it, but I feel we're right around there. So please subscribe. I'll appreciate it. Hit the notification bell, hit the like button. You do that, you get that free course, as I said, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.